I have made up to 240,000 naira on XfMusic Nigeria. I am going to show you my current earnings and also show you the ones that I have already cashed out. So if I click on mine right here, if you look at my balance here, you'll see that my balance is 159,900 naira, right? So this is my current balance on this platform. So let me go and show you my withdrawal history. If I click on withdraw, here, I click on standard withdrawal. Then I click on withdrawal history up here. So these are the money that I have already cashed out. This first one here is 27,000 naira, as you can see. As you can see, the status paid. This one here is 27,000 naira, as you can see, the status paid. This one here is 27,000 naira, and as you can see, the status paid. Right now, if you add this, if you add it together with 159,900 naira, right? So it is going to give you up to 240,000 naira. So this is how much I have actually earned from this platform called XfMusic Nigeria. If you are still looking for a way to make extra income online, I think this is the best opportunity for you, right? You can jump in right now and start making money from this platform. All you need to do to make money is simple. You sign up, choose a plan, and you listen to music every day. Each music you listen to is going to earn you some money, right? Now, let me show you exactly how to create an account on this platform so that you don't make any mistake. To create an account on XfMusic Nigeria, click the first link in the video description and it is going to take you to this page. Once you come to this page, the first thing I'm going to do here is to enter your phone number, right? So enter your phone number here. Then enter your password, your login password, the password which you are going to be using to log into your account. Then you confirm your password again here. Then under this verification code, this is the code you are going to enter, this one here. That is the one you are going to enter under this verification code. Then once you have done that, you come down here and click register now. Once you click register now, your account will be created instantly. Once your account has been created instantly, the next thing I recommend you do is to set up your bank account details for withdrawal and also set up your withdrawal password. So let me show you exactly how you can actually do that. Alright, so for you to set up your bank account details for withdrawal and also your withdrawal password, click on mine again. You click the XM logo here at the top left here. So if you look here, you will see full name, bank account, withdrawal password. Alright, so the first thing you are going to do is to click on full name. Once you click on full name, enter your name as it is in your bank account. Then after that, you come back here and click bank account. Then you enter your bank account details. After that, you come to withdrawal password. Click on withdrawal password. Then you enter any 4-digit number you will always remember, right? Because you are going to need it whenever you want to place a withdrawal. After that, the next thing you are going to do is to deposit money in your account and purchase a position. If you don't want to encounter any issues while depositing money in your account, once you have created your account, chat me on WhatsApp. You are going to see my WhatsApp link in the video description, right? So chat me on WhatsApp. I will guide you properly on how to deposit money in your account and also how to sign a contract and start earning money from this platform. If you would like to get updates from me on how to make money online in Nigeria, I highly encourage you join my Telegram channel. You will also see the link in the video description. So guys, XfMusic Nigeria is really a good opportunity you can grab now and use it to earn extra income online in Nigeria, right? I registered on this platform with just 21,600 naira, and with 21,600 naira, I have earned up to 240,000 naira, right? So as you can see, this is a very lucrative business. If you are ready to register, click the first link in the video description and create your account. Once you have created your account successfully, chat me on WhatsApp so that I will guide you properly on how to deposit money in your account, right, and start earning from this platform. You are going to see my WhatsApp link in the video description. Like I said earlier, join my Telegram channel to receive updates from me. You will also see the link in the video description. Then, if you want to watch a detailed video on how to deposit money in your account, I will leave the first video I made about this platform. I will leave the link in the video description. So go down to the video description and watch the entire video step by step. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Go ahead and click the like button and like this video. Click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload more videos on how to make money online in Nigeria, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.